Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I uploaded a video. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how to download Mendeley desktop and how to use it for citing and referencing papers. If you are a student, researcher or writing a thesis, this video will save you a lot of time. At first, open any browser that you have on your PC, then go to google.com, write download Mendeley desktop. Go to the first website. Now go to the recommended for your system and click for your Windows. It is downloading. Now open the installer, click Yes, next, I agree, then next, install. Finish. Now in this part of video, let's make a Mendeley account or a Elsevier account. For that, go to the google.com, write Elsevier ID or account, go to the first website, go to register. Now type your email ID. Click on register. Write your password. Click on continue. Give your name and your surname. Continue. Now check your email ID. After making the Elsevier ID, let's sign in to Mendeley desktop. Open Mendeley. Write your email ID and password. Click on sign in. As the Mendeley desktop opens, a welcome to Mendeley dialog box pops up. It shows to install the reference manager and to install the Microsoft Word plugin. Microsoft Word plugin is very essential to link our Mendeley with the Microsoft Word where we have to cite our articles. We can do it by either just clicking the install now or also by going into tools, then install MS Word plugin. Click in OK. Now it is installed. Let's open Microsoft Word to check whether our Mendeley is linked or not. For that, go to references. Now you can see here Mendeley is linked. This is the interface of Mendeley desktop. At the top there are options like file, edit, view, tools, help. Just below that there are options to add the files, the papers or articles. Then there is folder to add the folders. There is sync. This is for synchronizing your library with Mendeley Web. At the left hand side there is my library where you can see the papers you have added and you can arrange it in a specific folders. For that, at first let's learn how to add papers or articles that we need to cite. There are many ways of doing it. I will tell you three ways how can we add papers to Mendeley. The first method is the simplest way. We just need to have downloaded papers or PDFs on our PC or drive. Click on the add icon. Now search for the paper which you need for referencing. Now click it. It is imported. Again, you can add either one or more papers at a time. We can easily remove the imported papers by select it and press delete button, or by right click and delete document. The other method is the manual entry. For that, go to the arrow near the add icon and go to add entry manually. Here you can either enter the required information manually, like the title of the journal article, the author name, or you can just fill the DOI number, that is digital object identifier. It is a unique ID that almost every paper have. Now let's fill the DOI. I will open a paper. Here is a DOI. Let's just copy it and paste it. Now click the search icon here. Now Mendeley fills the required information itself. Now just click save. The paper is added in the Mendeley. The third method is the web importer. For that, go to Tools. Now install web importer. Now click on Get Web Importer for each. Get the extension. And pin it to the toolbar. Let's open Google Scholar and search the paper. Now click the web importer extension. It takes some time. Now you can see that all the papers which are in the Google Scholar are also appearing here. You can directly add it to our library by selecting it, then add to Mendeley. It is now added to the Mendeley. Now let's open Mendeley. Click the sync icon so it will appear. One of the key advantages of this method is you don't need to download the PDF or papers. It can be directly added to our Mendeley library. At last, you can also add the papers whose PDF format are not available. Just like this paper do not have the PDF available. We can import it or reference it by go to this button, then go to settings. Now change the bibliography manager to refmem. Now save it. Now you have to do is import into refmem. Click here. The refmem will be downloaded. Now we have to import this refmem to the Mendeley. As the same process that we do for the first method, go to add. Now we have to just double click it Okay, the paper is here. Now you can reference it easily without the PDF available. After adding a PDF to Mendeley, there are two important things you should always check. First, make sure the document type is correct. For example, check whether it's a journal article, a book section, or a conference paper. For that, go to Type and select your preferred type of document like journal article, book, or book section. The second thing is always double check the imported reference informations like the author name, the title of the paper, the journal name, and other informations. Sometimes Mendeley doesn't add information perfectly. Finally, after adding all the resources PDFs to Mendeley, it's time to learn how to cite the papers using Mendeley in MS Word. For that, let's first open MS Word. Here are two paragraphs to be cited, and there are two things that need to be done. The first is in-text citation and the second one is bibliography or references. For the in-text citation, go to the place where you want to cite, click it, then go to references, go to insert citation. You can either search the paper by searching in the search bar or by going to Mendeley, go to Mendeley, then click the paper you want to cite, then go above to this toolbar and click here. Now you can see the paper is cited, and in some cases you have to cite two papers or multiple papers. For that, go to insert citation, then go to search bar and search for your papers. Okay, click in it, then again search for the other paper. Now click OK. Now you can see that two papers are cited here. Now for the bibliography or the references, first you have to select the style of referencing. There are so many styles of referencing. The most common one is APA 7th edition. I select it, then go to insert bibliography and click. Now you can see the references for the in-text citation given above. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you have any queries or suggestions, please comment down below. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.